Now we will start with the second method, where the method is called as Arden's theorem. So before starting with actual example, we'll just go through the basics of the Arden's theorem, how it is represented. So let's, if it is P, Q, R are the regular expressions available with us on any alphabet, then one more condition needs to be satisfied, and if P is not having any epsilon, means P value is not epsilon, then the expression of this form R is equal to Q plus RP can be simplified to QP raised to star. If note here, Q is separate, P raised to star is only the term. Okay, so every time we need to bring our expression in this form and simplify to the R is equal to QP star. One by one, if you do it, then you will definitely get the answer. Okay, now second important thing in so this is suppose the question given to us. Every state equation you can write by observing its incoming transition only. Okay, so I will just write down the expressions. So Q2 expression first I will write down. So if you want to write down the expression for the state according to the Arden's theorem, then there should be the term like यहाँ पे उसका होगा Q1 dot A. The meaning is that from this state with this transition you are reaching to the Q2. Okay, from Q1 you are reaching to the Q2 with A as a transition. So you have to write in this way. If it is having multiple input transition, all needs to be combined with plus. Okay, they need to be combined with union operator. So if you see for Q2 there is no any other. I will write similarly for Q1. All observe incoming now. So Q1 incoming is from this Q2. So I will write Q2 dot A. Then Q1 dot B. क्योंकि इसका self loop है. One more incoming is from Q0. So Q0 dot A. And just name it like 1, 2 because these are only we are going to solve. And then Q0 का भी expression we can write. Q0 A self loop है. Q1 dot B. Okay, so like that. One more it is having, that is epsilon, क्योंकि वो initial state it is accepting the null input. Okay, ये वाला. So Q0 Q1 Q0 Q2 Q1 Q0 all three expressions we received. From this now we will start solving the expression, this 1 2 3 expression, and try to we will map it with the this R is equal to Q plus RP, so that you can simplify it to the R is equal to QP star, right? So very first what we can do, we can if you see Q2, okay, Q2 value, so you can replace that value in equation 2. Okay, so replace equation 1 into equation 2. So the value of Q1 can be Q1 dot A, okay, plus Q1 dot B plus Q0 dot A. Okay, so this is how your expression can be. So Q1 I can take common, and here my expression I can get like this, right? So I will just map it to the R is equal to Q plus RP, okay, where R is equal to Q plus RP. Suppose I restructured it like this, Q0A into A plus B, okay, or B plus A, anything. Then R is equal to Q plus RP. Then this type of mapping we can do, okay, where this R is nothing but Q1, Q plus RP. See, everything is matching. So we can use now this theorem, R is equal to QP star. So according to Arden's theorem, you can simplify it like R is equal to QP star, right? So R means Q1 is equal to Q0 dot A, P is your A plus B, P star. So this new value of Q1 you received, mark it as 4. It may require in some further equation. Now focus where we can replace this. See, Q1 is having equation in terms of Q0, so we can put it into equation number 3. Okay, 3 में अगर हम डाल देंगे तो we may get the equation for Q0. So I will just write down. So put this equation 4 into 3. Okay, so 3 equation is what your Q0 is equal to Q0A plus Q1B. So Q1 का वैल्यू अभी हम ये डालेंगे, Q1 B plus epsilon. Okay, now we will try to solve it. What we will get, we'll just see. Q0A plus this Q1 B, we need to simplify it. So Q0 A plus B raised to star dot B plus epsilon. I can take Q0 common and this epsilon I will write first. So if I write like this, then A plus B raised to star dot B. Okay, so this is how your expression can be. A plus A into A plus B raised to star dot B. So again we will map this. R is equal to Q plus RP. R is equal to Q plus RP, where this is R, Q, here R, and this combined term is your P. So it will be QP star. Okay, and so according to Arden's theorem, the answer which we will get, Q0 is equal to epsilon into this QP star. So QP star means this A plus A into A plus B raised to star B raised to star. Okay, so if you see this epsilon dot anything, so finally we will get, so A plus A into A plus B raised to star B bracket raised to star. So here we will get the value of Q0 now. इसको हम नाम देंगे 5. Okay, now if you see Q0 value is available with us, but our final target is what? Q2, क्योंकि this is our final state. Now Q2 if you want to find out, you should have the value of Q1. So Q1 का value हमें यहाँ पे मिला था with respect to Q0. So we will put this 5 into 4. So put equation 5 value into 4, and so you will get the value of Q1 as is equal to Q0 dot. So पहले Q0 का पूरा value हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. So A plus A into A plus B into B get raised to star. ये हो गया हमारा Q0 dot, ये वाला expression I am referring, A to A plus B raised to star. Okay, so this is now the value of my Q1, and based on that Q1 I can now find out the value of Q2, because Q2 is what? Q1 dot A. So putting this into equation 1. So again put 6, equation 6 into 1. Okay, so Q2 का value होगा अपना, so A plus this A, so A plus B is to star B, okay, A and A प्लस बी रेस टू स्टार और ये होगा आगे का ए. Okay, so this is how we will get the equation of Q2, and Q2 is our final state. So this is your expression of regular expression for the given example. Okay, so likewise you can use the Arden's theorem to calculate the value of, or to calculate the regular expression of any given example. Now we'll solve one more example of Arden's theorem, so that you will get familiar with the theorem. So always remember, your expression you should bring out to the form R is equal to Q plus RP, so that it can be simplified with R is equal to Q dot P raised to star. Okay. So very first, every equation means every state needs to be represented in equation form. So very first is your epsilon plus A dot 1 plus B dot 1, क्योंकि A का सेल्फ लूप है, B से A का ट्रांजिशन आ रहा है. B का इक्वेशन होगा आपका A डॉट 0 प्लस C से एक इनकमिंग आ रहा है C डॉट 0. C का इक्वेशन होगा आपका B डॉट 1. Okay, so name this because it will help you in writing the proper explanation which to be replaced in which type of equation. Okay. Now if you focus on A, just first try where you can replace, but before that equation 1, A is equal to epsilon plus A1 plus this B1. If I rearrange this equation, okay, if I rearrange this equation like this, epsilon plus this plus A1, so Q, then R is equal to Q plus RP. So R is equal to Q plus RP. Yes, it can be there. So this is complete your Q, this is R, and this is your P. So according to Arden's theorem, how you can simplify? A का equation आपको मिलेगा Q P star. Okay, so epsilon plus B1 1 star. So this equation you will get as, so we'll name it as 4. Okay, now where we can put this A equation? If you can put it into equation number 2. Okay, so and yes, we can put it into equation 2, so that we will get, so what we will do, put 4 and 3 equation into equation number 2. C is equal to also B dot 1 and A का भी हमें equation B के form में, so we can replace here and so we may able to solve the B. So B is equal to A dot 0, so A means this A dot 0 plus C का equation है B dot 1 dot 0. Okay, now we will just figure it out with respect to, we'll just first solve it. Okay, 1 star. So if I want to represent it like B1, so 1 star 0 can be taken out, plus this B dot 1 star 0 can be the value, and this can be B10. Okay, so ये जो टर्म है इसके साथ हमने ये किया है, ये जो टर्म है इसके साथ हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है, ब्रैकेट सिंप्लीफिकेशन. Okay, then B10 can be there. So what we can write now, so 1 star 0, which is again can be taken out common, and out of that 1 star 0, which if we can make it common, 0 plus B1. Okay, so this can be the possible your input, but see, no, instead of making it common, we will just figure it out whether it is satisfying the Arden's theorem or not. R is equal to Q plus RP. Yes, it is satisfying Q plus RP where this entire term is Q, ये आपका R और ये 1 0 हो गया आपका P. So according to Arden's theorem, Q is R is equal to, so B is equal to QP star. So 1 star 0, Q is to P. Okay. No, first we will try to simplify because we are not getting, so we should not get this B in between. Okay, so just one step again we will go back and we'll just see whether we are able to solve it or not. Okay, so 1 star 0 we will keep it as it is. So if I calculate this B1 0, then it is if I take this B common, then B 1 0 plus 1 1 star raised to 0. Yes, this can be the possible implication, and then we will try to find out. So we will map it with this Arden's R is equal to Q plus RP. R is equal to Q plus RP. So yes, now it is satisfying. ये आपका Q, ये आपका P, आपका R. Okay, so you will get the answer like B is equal to QP star. So 1 star 0 QP, P means your 1 0 plus 1 1 star 0 bracket raised to star. Okay, so here we will get the value of B. I can name it as 5. Okay, so this is how you can go on solving one by one every equation. And if you put this into C, now just focus what we want. C is our important because it is final state. So we will put this value into equation 3. So we will put 5 into 3, and so we will get the value of C. C is what? B dot 1. So B's value 1 star 0 plus this 1 0 1 1 star 0 dot 1. Okay, so this is our final answer for C. Okay, so just go on replacing, check out the possibilities, try to figure out your answer with respect to this Arden's theorem, R is equal to Q plus RP, so that you can convert it into or simplify into R is equal to QP raised to star. Only P raised to star, Q is ANDed with that. Okay, so this is your Arden's theorem. This is how you can solve the examples.